ready to go. So, we've been shopping. Archie, you've been spoiled on our shopping trip. Yes. Yes, you are being spoiled. Rushton Lakes. And we have spoilt the young man, but we need to get new clothes for when he's a bit older, because he's nearly 3 months old. Yeah. Do you want your dummy? So we went to H&M and went to Primark, and let's go through what we've got. H&M nicely got rid of all the coat hangers, which actually I needed, because now I have to go buy baby ones, but normally that's good. So we went to H&M because Primark hadn't got any long tops. So the good thing about H&M is they're like quite ethical ones. Most of these are quite plain, nice mushroomy colours. You can see, very nice. So we've got, stripy, and then we got this beautiful hedgehog set. This is really lovely. So it came with a long sleeve top because it's getting close to winter, some little joggers, and this adorable little hat. That, with the 10% off that you get for signing up, came to 22 quid. Not bad. Here comes the biggie. Oh yeah, these also came from H&M. We didn't get these. These were a present for when he's a little bit bigger, because we're going on holiday next April. So we thought we'd get some beach shoes. Forgot about these. So these came from Boots. Boots do amazing baby stuff. So we got these. I know, for when he's a little bit bigger. Again, for when we go on holiday. We've got a couple of bits for when he's a lot bigger. So again, next holiday, ignore the bit that says 2 to 3 years. This is 9 to 12 months. Absolutely adorable. Look how massive that is compared to you. Humongous. And then, I know he's not going to fit this for ages, but we found that in the, found that in the 1.5 to 2 years section. Now, jeans, chinos, had some in the last size, love them, they still fit him at the moment. Yes! Run to garden like a teddy bear. 1 step, 2 steps, steely under there. Oh, what are you doing getting that leggy out? You tired? Sleepy boy. This is absolutely adorable. So we've got a little hat, neckerchief, got a long sleeve, and we've got this absolutely adorable onesie. Love Winnie the Pooh. Another set, we've got a Simba set. Simba is God in this house. So we've got a little Simba neckerchief, Simba hat, Simba t-shirt, and again, this absolutely adorable Simba onesie. Jumpers, looks good in mustard. Mustard is his colour. Don't know if you can see him down there. We have this gorgeous Winnie the Pooh dungaree set. Isn't that lovely? He's going to be so cute. God, love t-shirts. He lives in t-shirts. Probably have to go get more little vesties. So all in all, that cost us how much? £73. But we've already got a few bits and bobs that we've been collecting over time. So I'll show you those in a minute. It's rather crammed in there. This is all neck size. So we got little Batman booties. We've got turtle t-shirt and some shorts. We have a Toy Story, Rex the dinosaur, jumper and joggers. This is my favourite, the little fox onesie. We've been given a polo shirt. Again, we've been given this Mickey Mouse dungaree set. Another Winnie the Pooh set. just. Then we have this beautiful Batman dungaree set. If you don't watch Doctor Who, you won't understand that. We've got some dinosaur leggings, onesies. Another gift, which was this Born in 2020 t-shirt. These absolutely adorable onesies. Some Christmas ones that we were given. This lovely dungaree set. There's his little suit for Christmas Day. He's already got one in the size he is now, but we thought we'd get another one. And it's an investment because it's going to be in them. The amount of clothes we go through, and I dread to think, you know, if you went and spent it on Amazon, they've hiked the prices up. It's worth it, and it's worth it to see him looking extra cute. Although he is in a vintage I think it's 1998 vintage. This top onesie set. It was my sister's, and she never wore it. Say hello to everyone. Say hi. You gonna chat? We've also got him some super funky Spider-Man cloth nappies, and we're gonna get him some more because we love cloth nappies in this house. So I might do a video about all his super funky cloth nappies and all his geeky stuff that we're finding him. Because let's face it, it's great having things that sort of match your hobbies for your kids. Good boy. Say bye-bye.